In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix footer in Google Docs. If your footer looks like it's missing, cut off, or sitting too far from the content, I'll walk you through a clean, reliable way to fix it. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Docs. From the results, click the official Google Docs link so you land on the correct page. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your Google account so you can access your files. Next, open the document where the footer needs attention and let it fully load. It's important that you can see page boundaries, so move up to the top menu bar and open the View menu. Make sure Show Layout, sometimes labeled Print Layout, is checked. If it isn't, your document can appear borderless, and the footer might seem to disappear, even though it's still there. If your document was converted to pageless, the footer won't display at all. In that case, go to File, choose Page Setup, and switch the document back to Pages. This restores the traditional page view with margins, headers, and footers, which is what you need to make proper footer adjustments. Now scroll to the bottom of a page and double-click inside the footer area to activate it. You should see a small toolbar appear near the footer controls. On the right side of that area, click the Options drop-down. From the list, select Footer Format to open the settings for how your footer sits on the page. In the Footer Format dialog, look for the setting labeled Footer, often described as inches from bottom. This controls the distance between the bottom edge of the page and your footer text. If the number is too large, the footer gets pushed upward and can appear awkwardly high. Lower this value to something more standard, like 0.5. If your document uses centimeters, choose a smaller number accordingly. You'll usually find that a range around half an inch provides a neat professional look without crowding the page number or footer text. Once you've set the value, click Apply. Your document will update immediately. If you don't see a change, make sure you actually clicked inside the footer and that you didn't remain in pageless mode. Also, double-check that print layout is still turned on. That's it. You searched and opened Google Docs, signed in if needed, loaded your document, ensured layout view is enabled, switched from pageless if necessary, activated the footer, opened the options menu, chose footer format, adjusted the footer distance, and applied the change. Your footer should now be visible and properly positioned across your pages.